Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken bait in fish. We'll cover the necessary preparations and walk through each step to ensure you successfully acquire this valuable item. Getting Kraken bait can seem tricky at first, but with the right approach, you'll be reeling in those legendary catches in no time. Let's dive into the details and get you ready for your next big fishing adventure. Before you can even think about crafting Kraken bait, you need to gather some basic resources. First, head to any fishing spot and collect 10 pieces of raw fish. Next, visit the general store to purchase 5 vials of potent fishing potion. Finally, make sure your fishing level is at least 60. This will significantly improve your chances of success. These items are your foundation.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic device for music, news, and more. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now that you have your resources, it's time to craft the bait. Head to an alchemy table, which can be found in most major towns. Combine your raw fish with the potent fishing potion. For the best results, aim for a crafting skill of 75 or higher. Each successful combination will yield one Kraken bait, so plan accordingly based on how much bait you need. It's a straightforward process. With your Kraken bait in hand, you're ready for the big catch. This special bait is exclusively used in deep-sea fishing areas, so make sure you're in the right location. Simply equip the Kraken bait onto your fishing rod before casting your line. Prepare yourself, because with this powerful bait, you can expect to reel in some truly rare and legendary fish. Happy fishing, adventurers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.